Hello, my name is Gerry Lewy, and for the next few videos I'm going to be making on different kinds of stone setting. I'm going to introduce you to the different kinds of burrs I'm going to be using for each project. For the bezel setting, I'm going to be using high-speed steel burrs, a 90-degree angle. These will only be used for bezel, for claw prong, and for engagement rings. As you can see in my display case, I have about 175 high-speed steel burrs of all sizes, ranging from their very small 1 millimeter down here, you can barely see them, and the ultra humongous fellows over here. Now I'll take one out to show you the size of them. These remarkable burrs are very good for what I'm going to be doing in the bezel setting. As you can probably notice that the teeth are further apart. I made a little diagram for you to understand that more fully. The teeth are further apart. They're more aggressive in the cutting of the metal, either in silver or in gold or even platinum. I use this as more like an excavation project. For the carbide burr, the teeth are more closer together, and they do not cut as deep as well as the high-speed steel. I have 175, maybe 200 of these high-speed steel burrs, about approximate cost about $2,000 about 5 or 6 years ago. God knows what they are now. And the carbide, I only buy the 90-degree angle burrs. I've never seen a diamond or gemstone with a 70-degree, so why buy them? 90-degree is the correct burr size angle to buy. These are going to be for the 4 claw settings, the small claw settings, gypsy, flush, channel, and princess stones. I will never use the high-speed steel on a princess or channel or gypsy. Neither would I use the carbide on the other project. So what I'm going to be doing on as an introduction to every setting project, I will select the burrs that will be used on each project. They could be a round burr, they could be a bud burr. But those bud burrs and round burrs will only be in the carbide section. They may have them in high-speed steel, but I don't want you to get involved in this kind right now. So let us leave this project alone for introduction to the burrs. Very, very important. And you're going to be seeing how I use them. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how I will do my cutting. And what part of the burr will I be... Oops, sorry about this. Paper ran away on me. How I'll be doing the hammering sequence. We discussed this on Orchid a few weeks ago, which prevents you from having a stone twisted in the bezel. And I will explain this more in great detail, and how